Okay, the next family of machines is the Delta series. The Delta machines they have 400 millimeter TCT, tungsten carbide tipped saw blades. The heads, the variants are Delta MX, which means the right head movement would be by a hand wheel, which is manual. The heads would be tilting only outwards, plus 45 and up to 90 degrees straight. Then we have Delta Digit, in which the right head movement here would be motorized. Then we have the Delta Swing MX, which means the heads would tilt from plus 45 degrees outside to minus 45 degrees inside through 90 degrees. And MX means the right head movement would be manual. And Delta Swing Digit means the right head movement would be motorized, and the heads would tilt outwards plus 45 through 90 degrees, they would tilt inwards to minus 45 degrees. Let's have a look at the video for a Delta Swing MX. That's the machine for you, Delta. This is the left hand saw head which is fixed. Those are the safety covers. This is the FRL unit, the filter regulated lubrication unit, that comes fitted on each LGF machine. Our machines work on 7 to 8 bars of pressure. That's the coolant bottle in which you put water soluble cutting oil as the coolant, mixed in the ratio 1:3 to 1:4 with water. These are the two saw heads. That's the right one which moves. Now we'll see the heads tilting. Okay, that's the left head tilting outwards to plus 45. The right head now tilts outwards to plus 45. This tilting is hydropneumatic. So these are the cylinders at the back of the machine which make the heads tilt. You see, this cylinder is now working. Now this cylinder will be working and the heads are tilting inwards to minus 45. This is the hand wheel which will be used for setting the cutting length by making the right head move towards the right or towards the left. This is a digital readout. Okay, this shows you how much distance exists between the left head and the right head. As you can see, the machine can cut from plus 45 to minus 45 and at any angle between these two. That's the safety cover. Now you see the right head being moved manually by this hand wheel. Pick up the profile and place it on the table. These are the horizontal clamps, 2 on each table, 2 horizontal clamps here and 2 horizontal clamps here. That's the right head profile support. This is a feed control valve. The feeding of the blade outward into the profile is hydropneumatic, and you can control the speed with which the blade comes out. This is at the rear of the machine, mechanical end stop, which you can use for setting angles, or rather intermediate angles between 90 and 45. If you want to cut it, let's say 20 degrees or 80 degrees for that matter, you can set the machine and the machine will cut at that angle. This is the switch which makes the left head tilt from plus 45 through 90 to minus 45. That's the switch for doing the same thing on the right head. This is clamping on the left head and unclamping. This is clamping and unclamping on the right head. This is the switch for starting the saw blade on the left head. This is the switch for stopping the saw blade on the left head. These switches hidden behind the operator's hand are the same for the right head. And this is the emergency stop. So the profile is clamped and the saw blades come out and cut. Delta has a 400 mm diameter TCT, tungsten carbide tipped saw blade. Right, let's have a look at the options available. Here you see on your screen Delta MX 4 meters. It comes in 4 meters and 5 meter sizes. If you want a 5 meter bell length machine, then you have to pay extra. The measurement reading on digital display. Normally there is a linear scale on which you can read the measurement, but you can also have this reading on digital display. TCT saw blade 400 mm diameter, 2 numbers. Additional horizontal clamp, 2 numbers horizontal clamps are already there. Additional horizontal clamp you can ask for if you need. Right head support with rollers, that is the right head profile support for profile protruding beyond the right head. Additional manual central support. This has been explained in one of our previous sections. Minimum cut stop. This is used for stopping the saw head from colliding if you come too close to the left hand saw head. Delta swing MX, that's the next variant. Extra for cutting length from 4 to 5 meters. Digital display for measurement, cutting length measurement. TCT saw blades, manual central support, right head support with rollers. Delta digit, which means it's got a motorized right head movement. 4 meter to 5 meter extra cost. TCT saw blade, right head support with rollers, manual support and packing. Swing digit, extra for 4 to 5 meters bed length. Saw blade, sequential cut modification. What is sequential cut has already been explained in one of the previous sections. Right head support with rollers, manual support and packing.